Hello guys, welcome to my village and let's do a mukbang first. One of the biggest croissant. Croissant? Croissant. Croissant. How do you pronounce it? Croissant? Croissant? Yummy. 아, 맛있다.
이날라 상하이션 레이그시뒤 항하이션 너위아미 마응하이션 파크메 아콘 말레 ngathulila lang may kada matamay hormay tangkamang la kahorta
Rồi here bom hi au ngawi bom ni cho nên hili BTS ba shui video la ka phai re rồi shui hi pa holi do au music video ha ka pe ka shui alung thong wi sat khwai bom hi au ngamang na sat kisne to mi rau ping khang the ot ka sa ping hili ma sal pai jine au ngamang ni sat khang sak ni ne sat la ra ja lung le au bom khwai le na do na drama kheng li hi thei de le re. So, yeah. All right, let's go back to the backyard and I'm going to show you the place where I often go to contemplate when things are not working right in my kingdom. I often go there and just spend some quiet moments. And that place was actually introduced to me by one girl called Margarita. So, let's go. So this is toward the backyard. Isn't that beautiful? Now it's fall season, so you can see the colors. And looking at these colors, you know, it just refreshes my mind and quiets my heart. And so I often go here, people. That's what kings do, man. Let's go. Or actually, you know what? Just come here. I'll show you a great view from here. Look at this. This is the tree I sing to. I always imagine this tree as the girl that I'm thinking when I'm sad, and I sing to the tree and it blooms. Wow. This is my favorite place. All right, and I'm going to show you. Okay, let's go this way. These are chambers of the king's wives. I'm not so sure, but I don't know. It looks like good chambers for other people to live in, or probably the king's chamber even. I don't know. Let's go and see. The dramas shot in this location year-wise 1987. Wow, some of you were not even born yet. I haven't seen any of these. This is 2005 Shindong outdoor set or competition. Let me know if you know any of these movies. 2008. I hear this one is a very popular one, Embracing the Sun. Warrior K. Tale of Aram and the Boy. I think I know this one. It's 2009. Shimina. Oh, is it Shimina?
These are the scenarios, the scripts of the dramas.
Okay, so now we are entering a place. This is apparently the police station kind of thing where all the punishments and the flogging and the beating happens. So let's go check it out. Wow. Look at the beautiful scene first, and then we go to the route. And then, if you're wondering what this is, as you can see, this is not a boat rowing this thing, but this is apparently where they beat people who disobey the king or whatever. So they lie down like this with their hands tied here, and they beat. 폐하 죄송합니다. 폐하. That's how we do it. As you see, it's a fun thing right now, but in those days, the most dreaded thing for peasants and for the servants. So, okay, so now we are here at the military training area. You can see it's like a small, not too big space for training and for sparring and stuff like that. So. Let's go inside and see what we find over there. This is how I used to. What? Ooh, what are those? What's that? What's this? Huh? Oh, it looks like it's a.
And this, like on the flag of Korea, you see the water, the air.
It's like for drawing lots and stuff, or. Okay, so the structure seems to be the same, but one very different thing here is that the gold patches over there you see. Apparently, in the Korean houses, they don't use this gold thing. So this is apparently more of a Chinese and Korean spy movie setup, so they use gold apparently. So you see guys, this actually gives, the feeling is really just like one of our villages back home. Just that the roofing is of course different. We do it more, ours is more like a thatch thing. Theirs is more of a concrete thing. I don't know what that is made of. But otherwise the whole vibe, oh there's a bird there. The whole vibe, everything, it just takes me back to my village days. So very nostalgic right now. Anyway, they set it up in such a way that it is from that era, definitely. So. So this is where the poor ones live. Let's go in and see. Look at it. Yeah, this is more like the village that I grew up in. There you go, the roofing. That's the Mishi we call in Tangkhul we call Nishishim. I'm sure it's pretty much the same. Yep, like a straw, little straw and stuff like that. Ooh. So we see something here. I'm not sure if this is kitchen or toilet. Toilet seems to be too close to one another. It becomes too uncomfortable. So I'm assuming it should be kitchen. So this probably is their kitchen. That's exactly like the what do you call the way on each side of this thing. We have the huts and everything else. So this is really
They're doing something.
So this probably is these are the actors for the drama, and this is the prison, the underground prison. So let's go in. Okay. Ooh, scary. Look at that. There is that the prison warden? Okay. Seems like an individual prison. Oh, this is for flogging and for interrogating and stuff. I think.
Oh, definitely not for working out in the prison.
Yo might be working out in this prison. He's looking for a gym opportunity all the time. Oh, what is this? Is this a place to escape? Oh no, this is where they probably throw in the food or whatever. Wow. They're really built so well. Everything. This one's looks rather cozy. Wow, their prison looks very cozy. Looks more like an exploration cave. Whoa.
Well, it's like a floor prison cell.
Mm-hmm. This is probably where they throw all the hardcore prisoners who don't obey and stuff like that. This is more like A little bit reserved for the more obedient ones, I believe. Let's go down and see is there any more. Ooh, look at that. Oh, there's a chair. There you go. I'm sure they were pretty connected. There's another one here. And the escape here. Okay, there's something written there in Chinese, but I don't know what that is. But I'm told this is the medical institution area. So let's just go up and see what it is. Pink curtains. What is that for? Is that where all the maidens they gather and gossip? The princess or what? I'm not sure. Oh, there's green ones as well. So this is the medical area. I don't know what. Some probably the patients they treat over there. Assuming. And is this the healing pool of Bethesda? I don't think so. Again, the same writing inscription is here, probably meaning infirmary or hospital or something. This is Chinese. This is not Korean for sure. So I think they used Chinese characters in the beginning during this time. Is that the prince? Prince waiting for his princess. So, a brook by the village, and this is the park where the king takes a stroll for leisure and for evening. What's this? So this man is fallen in love with this girl. She is from the Joseon dynasty. Oh no, smitten by the princess. Pretty. 예쁘다. 예쁘지? There's another one. Let me see if I know her. This girl. Yeah, she's pretty. 예쁘지. Below ones are here. Oh, this guy, I know him. What's his name? So yeah, this is our final lap. The king's evening walking area with all these pretty, beautiful and handsome people here. So they have a lot more. Probably almost everybody who acted here in the drama are here. There you go. Some familiar faces, some not so familiar. All right, people, I think that's it for today. We spent like about how many? 3 hours? Oh, 4 hours in this place. But oh, there is Yuna here. There you go. How sweet is she? Oh, 예쁘다. Pretty Yuna. I saw a movie recently, a serial drama of hers. She really is sweet. Alrighty, people, that is all for today. We spent about 4 hours here today in this village, drama setup village, and it's been fun. nostalgic, and yeah, we'll see now if there is any new drama coming up here. What?
This is the original set.
So this apparently was the original set, but they expanded and they upgraded and made a whole village from here. So that's a good jump. Alrighty, people, see you around soon. If you are visiting Korea, make sure you come here. It's a little far away from Seoul, but not impossible at all. Alright, the sun is also setting over there, and we say adieu. Ciao, ciao, people.